Hello friends, this tutorial is about the shawl version of Star, Hearts and Pineapples crochet pattern. And these are the tools and materials that we will need, and it's listed. And the yarn, I would like to discuss the yarn. This is Sugar Wheel Cotton Solids, and it comes in 335 yards, and it's a size 3. So let us begin. This tutorial is from row 1 to 4. So on row 1, we will make a circle. We will make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch on the 5th chain from hook to form a ring. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 10 double crochets over the ring. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So after making 10 double crochet over the ring, then you turn and then chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then skip this one single crochet or one stitch and single crochet on the next stitch. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and skip one stitch, single crochet on the next stitch. Repeat, chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, skip one stitch, single crochet on the next stitch. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, skip one stitch and single crochet on the next stitch. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, skip one stitch and single crochet on the turning chain on the 3rd chain of the turning chain. Then turn. Then on row 3, we're now on row 3, we slip stitch on next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the same space, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet all together. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 single crochet on the next chain 9 loop, 6 times again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet over chain 9, the same chain 9 space. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and repeat 6 single crochet on the next space. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the same space 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and repeat single crochet 6 times. So repeat it on all the total of 5 loops, 4.5 loops actually, because we didn't start it on the first loop. So we just keep on making single crochet on all the chain 9 loops. So after the last single crochet of the last loop, do not turn. Instead, do a triple crochet, 1 triple crochet over the ring, 3 double crochets. So this is double crochet. That was 1, 2, 3, and then another triple crochet. Then 6 single crochet on the chain 9 loop, and we are making the single crochet over the slip stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then a slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Do not turn. Instead, we are now going to work on row 4. So we are going to start back and forth, row by row, part of the instructions. So to make the edge, we chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 triple crochet on the same chain 3 space. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 triple crochet on the next chain 3 space. Chain 3 and 3 triple crochet on the same space. And the shell is made. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make another shell. So we will just keep doing chain 5 shell, chain 5 shell across. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and shell on next chain 3 space by making triple crochet, 3 triple crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and another triple crochet on the same space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and triple crochet on the next chain 3 space. And this is the edge, so we're just going to make a total of 4 triple crochet. So the next segment will be round 5 to 7. Thank you for watching. So I'll see you on the next rounds.